Pause for a second. Not just your scrolling finger pause you. Because what I'm about to say might just be the reset your soul's been whispering for. This isn't hustle talk. This isn't a productivity sermon. This is about remembering a power most people have buried under burnout real rest. The kind of rest that doesn't make you lazy. It makes you dangerous again. Hey, before you dive back into your screen, just pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Feel that? That little pause is where everything begins. I'm not here to give you another tired, hustle harder speech. Nope. This is about something the world forgets to teach us. How to rest with intention. How to recharge not just your phone, but your very soul. We've been conditioned to wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. Somewhere along the way, rest got rebranded as weakness. If you're not pushing, grinding, producing, you're losing. So now we hide our need for pause like it's a crime. We zone out with screens we're not really watching, scroll through noise that numbs more than it soothes, all while drowning in guilt for not doing more. But that's not rest. That's emotional triage. That's your soul gasping for breath while your body pretends it's fine. Real rest is a revolution. It's not just about stopping, it's about coming alive again. It's the quiet space where your mind, body, and spirit sync back up. It's the reset button that sharpens your focus, fuels your creativity, and reclaims your joy. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a potter and a runner. The runner sprints relentlessly, day after day, pushing their limits. Meanwhile, the potter spends hours shaping clay, then stepping back, letting it rest, letting it settle between each move. When the potter finally fires the clay in the kiln, it's strong, resilient, able to hold whatever you pour into it. The runner, exhausted and worn, risking injury from constant strain. See, the potter knows that resting isn't quitting, it's part of creating something lasting. It's how progress becomes sustainable, not fleeting. But here's the part no one talks about. Rest without boundaries isn't rest, it's just delayed burnout. To truly recover, you need to build sacred boundaries with people, with places, with things. That means saying no to the conversations that leave you drained and over-explaining your worth to people who aren't listening. It means avoiding the environments that overstimulate your nervous system, the loud rooms, the toxic spaces, the crowds you've outgrown. And it means cutting back on the constant digital drip, the news, the apps, the just one more scroll habits that leave your brain buzzing long after the screen goes dark. Boundaries are the bed you lay your rest upon. Without them, your rest leaks, your energy drains, your mind stays cluttered. But with them, you create a container strong enough to actually hold your peace. So when was the last time you felt truly awake? Not just conscious, but clear. Not just surviving, but alive. That feeling isn't a luxury. It's your birthright. Boundaries protect that birthright. They're not walls. They're doors. You choose to open only when it's safe and healthy to do so. They give your restroom to do its real work. Here's another example for you. Think of a laser beam. When it's focused, it can cut through steel. But if you scatter that same energy everywhere, it's just weak light. Boundaries are what focus your rest. They make it potent, precise, powerful. Rest isn't accidental. You don't wait until you're broken to take care of yourself. That's like waiting to fill your tank when the car's already on empty. Rest is a daily practice. It's saying no without guilt. It's canceling the plans that feel like an obligation. It's protecting your time like your life depends on it, because it does. Animals get this. A wolf rests to hunt smarter, not longer. An eagle soars because it conserves energy on the wind currents. You're no different. Honor your limits. Respect your need to pause. So here's your gentle reminder from me. Breathe deep. Take the nap. Say no. Close the tab. Let the world wait a little while. Because when you come back, rested fully charged, fiercely protected, you become a force that no burnout, no fear, no distraction can stop. Sharpen your inner blade by resting, like your power depends on it. Because the truth is, it does.